The Federal Reserve and the American Dream, a deeply interwoven journey. The Federal Reserve, established in 1913, stands as the central bank of the United States, wielding immense influence over the nation's economy. Often likened to the steady hand of a conductor guiding a vast symphony, the Federal Reserve shapes the rhythm of economic growth, stability, and prosperity in the United States. Its role is not merely administrative, it touches the very fabric of the American dream, influencing the lives of millions across the country. A pillar of economic stability. The Federal Reserve's primary mission is rooted in three key objectives: promoting maximum employment, ensuring stable prices, and maintaining moderate long-term interest rates. Through its monetary policy, which involves managing interest rates and controlling the money supply, the Federal Reserve acts as the pilot of the American economic ship, steering it through calm and stormy waters alike. Its decisions ripple across the economy, affecting everything from the cost of borrowing for businesses to the interest rates on home mortgages. Yet, the Federal Reserve's role extends beyond the realm of monetary policy. It serves as the watchdog of the financial system, regulating banks and financial institutions to ensure their soundness and protect the interests of depositors. This oversight is vital, as banks are the arteries through which the lifeblood of the economy, money, flows. By ensuring the stability of the banking sector, the Federal Reserve fosters trust and confidence, both of which are crucial for a thriving economy. The American economic landscape. The United States boasts a unique economic system, one that blends the principles of capitalism with elements of social welfare. This mixed economy allows for a high degree of economic freedom, encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship, while also providing a safety net for those in need. It's a system that has propelled the United States to the forefront of global economic leadership. At the heart of this economic dynamism is the American spirit of innovation. From Silicon Valley's tech giants to small startups in every corner of the country, the drive to create, disrupt, and improve is a hallmark of the US economy. The vast and diverse consumer market further fuels this engine of growth, offering businesses a fertile ground to expand and thrive. However, the American dream is not without its challenges. While many have found success and prosperity, others continue to struggle. Income inequality has become a defining issue of our time, with the gap between the wealthy and the poor widening over the past few decades. This disparity poses significant questions about the future of economic mobility and fairness in the United States. Additionally, the national debt, a burden passed down from one generation to the next, casts a long shadow over future economic prospects. The Federal Reserve, in its role as steward of the economy, must navigate these challenges carefully, balancing the need for growth with the imperative of fiscal responsibility. The Federal Reserve's far-reaching impact. The influence of the Federal Reserve on the American economy is profound and multifaceted. By setting benchmark interest rates, the Fed directly impacts the cost of borrowing, influencing decisions made by individuals, businesses, and governments alike. During times of economic crisis, the Federal Reserve employs tools like quantitative easing to inject liquidity into the economy, helping to stave off deeper recessions and support recovery. The Fed's regulatory responsibilities are equally critical. By overseeing the banking sector, it helps to prevent financial crises that could destabilize the entire economy. Moreover, the Federal Reserve's economic forecasts and analysis provide invaluable insights, guiding policymakers, investors, and the public in making informed decisions about the future. Throughout its history, the Federal Reserve has faced monumental challenges, from navigating the depths of the Great Depression to mitigating the fallout from the 2008 global financial crisis. Each of these episodes tested the resilience of both the institution and the broader economy. The Federal Reserve's actions during these crises, while often complex and controversial, have had tangible effects on the lives of everyday Americans, shaping everything from job opportunities to the cost of living. A legacy of resilience and adaptation. The story of the Federal Reserve is deeply intertwined with the narrative of the American economy, a tale of growth, adversity, and adaptation. As the United States continues to evolve, the Federal Reserve's role will become increasingly critical. It must remain vigilant, adapting to new economic realities and emerging challenges while staying true to its mission of safeguarding the American dream. The Federal Reserve's legacy is not just one of economic stewardship, it is also a testament to the American people's ingenuity, resilience, and enduring belief in the power of opportunity. As the nation looks to the future, the Federal Reserve will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping that future, ensuring that the American dream remains within reach for generations to come. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.